ready for an airboat ride down by Point Siena, and we're fixing to go out on an airboat ride with the same people that we went out on the Jeep ride. So by land, by sea, by air, by boat, or how about by airboat? Let's go for a ride.
You guys have any questions about anything? This anybody's first airboat tour?
I've never seen an alligator in the wild.
This is my second. What?
That is my first wild alligator.
There you go. Big one, too. Here. Coming off here, guys, I'm going to try to keep it nice and close for you, okay? All your hearing protection can go right up on that green table so I can sanitize it for the next party.
Thanks for the tour. How long have you been working here?
About 5 years now.
5 years?
5 years.
And you grew up in Kissimmee if you went to...
Yeah, born and raised right down Kings Highway.
Been here forever.
Oh,
so.
yeah. See all the good changes here.
Oh, yeah. Well, that is Boggy Creek Airboat. You'll see gators, eagles, anhingas, gallinals, coots. There's a restaurant in here, and if you look up best barbecue places in Kissimmee, you will find this place listed for some barbecue. Well, that's it for the Boggy Creek Airboat ride. No, no Jeep ride other than the ride in the Jeep coming down here. But if you're looking for something to do out here down by Point Siena, Boggy Creek Airboat rides, there's a link below for a place to purchase tickets. It's where Randy works. And just let him know FloridaJeepRides sent you. We will see you next time on the next ride.